JD, and this is Upfront and Personal. You might have heard the rule that you shouldn't try to solve factory challenges with office solutions. And although that is a very valid rule, we also need to explore how digital transformation can bring benefits to factories and industrial environments. I invited Jan Mentzer, AWS solution specialist for manufacturing, and asked him these questions. And what better time to do that than during the AWS reInvent. Upfront and Personal. Jan Metzner, welcome to Upfront and Personal, and thank you for taking your time during AWS reInvent. I know you're very busy, so I want to jump into the questions and give you the opportunity to provide answers. Let's start with question 1. When we discuss cloud in manufacturing, there's an enormous focus on and maybe even fear for availability and latency. Is this a realistic concern with today's technology? And what solutions are available for manufacturing?
Yeah, Johannes, that's a very good topic. I mean, if you think about manufacturing, you want to continuously produce your goods and products. So obviously, latency, but especially the reliability on the connection, is something that is very important. It's not only important if you use some pieces of the manufacturing infrastructure in the cloud. It's generally important, but how would you move your orders that are going from your ERP to the factory without having an internet connection? So actually what is happening is that the cloud is coming to you, to the edge. So it's not like you need to add something more. It's more like the cloud is already expanding to the edge and even further down. And we are here at reInvent, so we just released actually a service called AWS Cloud One to connect manufacturing sites, to connect office sites to AWS. We have with AWS Outposts form factors that you put hardware at the edge locations itself. So in your factory, we have the general availability of Outposts, smaller form factors, which is even good for smaller manufacturing sites. So yes, it's a valid concern because if you're controlling machines, you need to do that. But on the other hand, we have the infrastructure, we have all the products available to do that. You usually have, let's say, a hybrid approach that you do some pieces locally, e.g. controlling the machine or sending machine information. So what kind of orders you're doing locally, but still the majority, what you run today in the factory on IT infrastructure, that can run in the cloud, especially those spiky things that you don't need usually if you run reports and something like that. And in that way, you can overcome this fear because you will be able to produce all the time, even if you don't have internet connectivity sporadically.
Jan, thank you very much for taking time during AWS reInvent. I know you're very busy and have a full schedule with customers, with partners, etc., etc. So thank you for taking your time today and hope to see you soon on Upfront and Personal.
Thanks. It was a pleasure talking to you.
The stage has been set. All preparations are made. The challenge is accepted. Critical questions, real answers. Cybersecurity, geopolitics, economy, sustainability. Question everything. Challenge the status quo and dare to see beyond the headlines. This is Upfront and Personal, with tough questions and real answers.
Dr. Ingenieur Johannes Drooghaag.